So very cool. Jason Mikell joins us now with your Sunday forecast. Was it a good day to go down to North Coast Harbor area, the Science Center, the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame?
I mean, I was down with the Browns event earlier today, and you pretty much wanted to take your shirts off because it was so hot outside. It felt like tropical Florida today, Northeast Ohio. We hit the nail at 86 degrees for the high temperature. Thank goodness we weren't at the century mark. You can see there is a record for today. But it was still very, very warm out there. And frankly, we still have elevated dew point temperatures because of that south wind. So let's get straight to the maps right now and show you what's happening outside. 82 degrees is the number right now, the surface temperature at Cleveland Hopkins. Did you notice that dew point temperature? If you didn't, I'm going to go back. 73-degree dew point temperature, boom, right there. And this is why we feel oh so sticky outside across Northeast Ohio. That south wind cruising right on in here. We have a warm front centered across the area just along the northern coast right now. So this is why some areas inland feels like the upper 80s. Look at that, Mansfield, you feel like 82 degrees right now, 86 in Elyria, low 80s for Cuyahoga County right now, and even all other areas. Even though the numbers may say 82, 83 degrees, I'm pretty sure you're going to say, Jason, it feels like near 90 degrees out there. Soupy dew point temperatures looks like pea soup there. The next few hours, we're really not going to do too much to kind of wane off of this humidity, as most locations will kind of hang out around 70 degrees. So let's talk about a little bit of rain that is moving back into the forecast here. So I think we're likely going to get our greatest dose of rain a couple times this week. Once on Thursday, another again on Saturday, but we have even more rain arriving for us tomorrow, roughly around a 70 to 80%, and it's going to be very scattered in nature. There's our warm front right now. We're pulling in all of that moisture straight out of the Gulf, right across much of the mid-Atlantic, even sort of the Tennessee River Valley area. It's come all the way north here. This is a system that's going to bring us scattered rain and even some rumbles for us tomorrow. It's still crawling through the central plains at this hour. So let's talk about a little bit what our water vapor. This is really the main drag that is pulling in all of that moisture straight up towards the north. This system is likely going to become even more amplified once we get into the end of the week, and that'll likely propel even more storms for us here. The northwest right now is going to be dealing with upper 80s once we get into this time next week. And this is that system that's, again, kind of like you're peeling a little bit of that paper. It gets really crunchy as you get that strong area of low pressure moving back in. And this is why we see elevated temperatures, certainly out west. Vegas in the triple digits, as well as Albuquerque. In short order for us, again, we're going to remain fairly scattered across the area for tomorrow, leading over into Tuesday. Some models are forecasting will likely be maybe a half inch. Other models likely going to pull in roughly around an inch or so. So here's that National Design Mart forecast. We make it through the overnight hours pretty much okay. We start out the day tomorrow in the upper 60s to near 70 degrees, and then that's when sort of the scattered rain showers start to move on in. The frontal boundary is going to be coming in right behind that. So in the lieu that we make it through the afternoon, you're still going to have some elevated temperatures and also elevated humidity levels. 8 p.m. on Monday, still roughly around 70 degrees or so. And there's the wraparound flow coming on in on Tuesday. Cooler, but also a little bit drier as well. Here's that Union Home Mortgage 7 as we package it up for you. Upper 70s, you can see there. More clouds and sun on Tuesday. Back into the low 80s. A really nice midweek. And then a renewed chance for showers and thunderstorms on Thursday. And that could carry over into the early Friday. Neil?
All right, a busy Monday ahead. We'll know you have the latest coming up.